Welcome to the friend of Poco C40, and I'll show you how to change icons shape with the X-Icon Changer app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and then here in the search pool we should enter the X-Icon Changer. And now we should get this first application. That's why just tap here to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. Now just here we should click on the right down corner to open the app. And now we can here choose one from these available applications on our device to change the icon. For example, let's use the phone application. Now we can see here the library with different folders with the icons. So you can use them if you want, or also you can use the photo from your device gallery, or you can take a picture right now, a camera app. I'll use, for example, this folder and this icon. Just to use this icon, you should click on the right upper corner to OK. So now we should go to the settings to change our permissions. Okay, no permissions allowed. Okay, so now we should switch it here to always allow. Go back to the app, click to OK and wait a second. Okay, now we should skip this videos. So just click to the X icon here. This shortcut icon has been added to desktop successfully. We can go to the desktop directly, or we can change the next icon by the same way. So let's just see the new icon here, and that's it. So we can see the difference. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.